So, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time of the day it is for you. For me, it's 10:15 on the 29th of August. Oh, 31st of August. And I'm just about to head on to the 4116 to run down to the treble 4, because today, I'm looking for that guy, what a big boy. Today is Phil480's meet at the Truimph Visitor Centre. Right, so my bike says 8:56, which means it's 9:58, it was an hour and 2 minutes slow. We've just turned off the A5. And there it is. Just hook a left at this roundabout. And we're here. Now I thought I was going to be late, but somehow I still managed to be early. Can't say that's a thing I do in life as a general. Right. Cars, bikes, lane 2. Lane 2 it is then. Where do we park? Factory visitor experience, that's the one. Don't want to go in there. Right, so who can we see? I see Phil480.
Sheltered from the sunlight in the shade beneath the tree. We hide behind the shadows like an orphaned refugee. The apple tree of knowledge shed its fruit along the way. The injury is fading, but the hunger's here to stay until the day when there's no memory of what we used to be. Golden sunrise, burn your eyes, fill your dark skies, and made you blind. The heads all turn to darkness when the sun engulfs the sky. The brightness overwhelming to the unadjusted eye. We're taught to follow blindly like there's nothing here to see. A slave to some philosophy will somehow make you free, and you will be so gladly handcuffed and lightened from above. Golden sunrise, burn your eyes, fill your dark skies, made you blind. Oh, with ignorance a virtue, the question is a sin. Is there no remedy for for the state that we are in.
See you later, Freddie. So that's it. No ride out. It sort of started to rain, so we moved inside and then proceeded to chat bollocks. It's the only way I can describe it. So yeah, no ride out, chat bollocks, but we had a walk around the visitor centre, which I have some footage. A5 miles ago. I don't know which way to go. This way. But yeah, the spoke he turned up. Red Baron was here. Obviously Phil480, Garden Shed Vlogs. His Lordship was here. And I've got a sticker in here, I think it's Wolven, I don't know, the sticker's in the tank bag. Michael was there. And then there was a few others that, sorry, I kind of forgot to get your channel names. But yeah, good chat. So yeah, obviously picked some more stickers up, as you can tell. So yeah, I'm gonna head now to Donington Hall for burnout. I went last year for reasons I will not go into, and I refuse to go into. I wasn't supposed to be going this year. Well, I was supposed to be going, and then I decided I wasn't going. Yeah, and then I thought about it afterwards that there's a couple of people there that I haven't seen since last year, so I'm going to go. But there's not going to be no video there, because I think by the time I get there it's going to be about 4:30, 5 o'clock. Probably would have stopped. Well, I'm just going to see if I can see them. But yeah, that's it for now. As I said, I'll see you in the next one. Ride safe and take care.